welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to chalk on glass. I'm going to chalk on this glass with the Rise and Grind transfer. It's for coffee. And we have our little coffee beans we're going to put on there. Okay, so start off with a clean glass. You can do a jar, cup, anything. Oh, let's lint our transfer first. Right here. And then it's easy on a surface that's mainly flat, so it should work out pretty well. But let's see how it goes. I'm going to do it in the black Chalkology paste. Okay. Okay, I think we got it all on there. Let's see. You want to pull top to bottom or side to side, never diagonal. Okay. And there you have it. Rise and grind. Now, just going to put a few little coffee beans in here in papaya. And this would make a great gift for somebody, like a housewarming gift. You can put some coffee beans inside the jar. That would be really cute. A hostess gift, a teacher's gift would be nice, or a co-worker, and it only takes a couple minutes. There you have it. And now all I'm going to do here is heat set it with my heating tool. And there you have it. And you can top it off with a nice ribbon or raffia or anything like that, just to dress it up a little bit. But that's it. Pretty happy with that way it came out. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. You can follow me on Instagram at Lisette's Craft Corner. And till next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.